ba si Tita Pia?
Purita.
Purita what?
Jones.
Salbahe ka, no? Asim naman ang ulo mo, hindi ka naligo.
You're in the slump cat.
You're in the Purita Jones.
I know. It's a good thing Julian didn't call her mom a hobo.
That's a hobo. Ano ba yan?
A homeless person that asks money. A hobo.
Bakit hobo?
Hobo and homeless. It's another way of saying homeless in a bad way. In a funny.
Don't say that, bad word yun.
No, it's not. You don't know what it is yet.
But you look like a... na-confuse ang ano mo, fashion sense mo. You look like a Purita Jones too. May static tayong dalawa, huwag kang magulo.